In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Figma. Losing a file can be really stressful, especially when you're in the middle of a project or working with a team. The good news is that Figma has a built-in way to help you bring those deleted files back, as long as they're still in your trash. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you understand exactly what's happening. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct account and team where the file originally lived. This is important because trash is tied to the specific team or workspace. Once you're in the right place, look for the trash section. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar alongside your projects and drafts. Go ahead and click on trash. This opens a special view that shows all files that have been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Inside the trash view, scroll through the list until you find the file you want to recover. If you remember the file name, that will make it easier to spot, but you can also recognize it by its thumbnail or the project it used to belong to. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right file, especially if you have several similar ones. Once you've located the file, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a small context menu with several options that apply specifically to that deleted file. In this menu, look for the option labeled Restore. This is the command that tells Figma to move the file out of trash and back to its original location. Click on Restore. After a moment, the file will disappear from the trash view. That's expected because it's no longer considered deleted. To double check, navigate back to the project or team space where the file was originally stored. You should now see the restored file back in place, ready for you to open, edit, or share just like before it was deleted. If you don't see the file in trash at all, it may have been permanently removed, or you might be looking in the wrong team or account. In that case, check with your team admin, as they may have additional permissions or backups. And that's all there is